Hi, my name's Brooke with WTI. I'd like to show you 4Monster, this microfiber towel in here. I like this case. It keeps this towel nice and sanitary, nice and clean. And look how compact that is. This weighs only 0.3 pounds. And this towel is so incredibly soft. It's the softest towel that I own. Feels so good. I could sleep on this. I think I should get a few more of these actually. And the fact is that this is great for traveling, camping, backpacking. It's so soft. It absorbed the water on my face when I washed my face so well. And it also dries really fast. This color is so pretty too, this green. And another additional feature of this is you can just put it on your belt right here. And you can also strap it to your backpack. And it has air vents helping your towel to dry once you put it away. It does such a good job of absorbing the water, and that's probably that plus how compact it is my favorite features of this towel. But I also love how wide it is. It's so long, and it's a great towel to bring camping, backpacking, and it's a great towel to have even if you want to keep it in your house because it's that special. So that's my point of view.